Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hair by Liene. I need a little bit do some highlights and tone my hair. Yeah, but you remember I put that video about wild product. Now have some kind of upgrades, and with this code and link you can get not only 20% but 25% of discount. The products are very good, really. You can watch that video. I put in the descriptions link about that shop where you can get that discount, and link about that video before I do. And now you can see. Do some highlights without foil, without nothing. And eat breakfast when it's sitting. Coffee. Now it's sitting and I prepare tone. Go wash out this and put this on 5 minutes. And we will see result after. Now I put that tone in my hair. I don't know really if it's working. Maybe I need to sit more than 5 minutes because nothing changing still. But it's only tone. I can sit more. It's not damaging hair, you know. Then I can sit a little bit more. There's you can sit till 20 minutes if it needs to. Then I don't have a problem for that. I can sit 20 minutes. I hope it works. If it's not, I need to think about a different tone because probably this is not good right now. It's not good because I always use this one and always after 5 minutes works. But now I see something wrong. It's not working. Right, 15-20 minutes, but I put only on 5 minutes. It's about months it's not washing out. It's good. Let's try it. Maybe out of date, you know. Because it's really nice. It's creamy, it's nice. Not like original colors when out of date. Sometimes I open color I use, there's like half tube left. I open and the color it's like pieces. See them? Then I need to throw in a bin because it's not mixing anymore. But this is really fresh. Strange. It's not working. Maybe I need to do it different. Because I put 7:30 and I always use 8 something because my hair are lighter. Now they are not so light. I do before bleaching, but soft, you know. And I don't wanna very light. Then I use that 7. I think it's like a medium blonde ash gold. It's hard to explain. When it's you go outside in a natural light, hair need to be shining, golden shining, but at the same time they being a little bit cool. I don't know how to explain that, but it's you not see anything. It's still yellowy. Maybe it is going to be like that, but how I see the samples and everything, I never use this color, like this tone 0713. I never use that. It's it's been closed. I open it only now when I use it for my hair to try it, because I always use 8. We don't have any more than 8. Last time I use it and I don't buy it. I use this only for me. 8. Before it. Cool. Sometimes I mix. Yeah, I have left only this 088, which one I mix together with the other one. See, it's got a little bit only, but it's lighter than this one, and I don't need it. Subscriptions I have a little bit less, because this is mixing with some 8 something. When I have very light, I use 9 and 10. And I use 0. There are no any colors. Sometimes I use only that 0. Not any tones, nothing. It's transparent. I don't know how it's giving the hair that shine. They are very shiny, you know, giving the hair shine. But now I need something because it's yellowy. I take this one, try to this one. It needs to be medium blonde, ash, cold ash. But when I'm looking, you see it, some spots still orange, and when I'm time's up, but I'm still like orange, you know. And when I use this shiny fire, their hair are very shiny. I like that. I don't understand about that. Now you see how they look when they are wet. Later I'm gonna show you when it's gonna be dried how it looks, because I wanna stay dry, natural air dry, without heating or blow drying. No, because they are put bleach, I put one tone, I put other one dry, you know, that I have many times bleached hairs. I don't want to damage them. No. Yeah, so it's really bad. No. First time after I did this, I wanna natural hair dry them, and then you can see how they are naturally. Yeah, but color is not bad. I have a little bit when, because it's grow out that roots. I think probably will grow out that so many, and new hair. They don't wanna really bleaching, don't wanna toning, have problems with my hair, something like that. But it's much more better than before. It's gonna be a little bit yellow, I think. Yeah, I need probably buy that other tone, take off that one. But it's not bad. I like that for this weather. It's very good color for my skin. I have one moment very white, you know, white. My skin looks really white and that hair color better. It's gonna be a little bit some dark pieces and some light pieces and some yellow pieces. It's gonna look better, you know, because my skin is really white. And the same, I don't like how it looks when my hair are dark brown or dark or something like that. Then the same, my skin looks really white, like gray, not so nice. Like looks like I'm sick. But because I don't have makeup right now, like coloring, washing, I will need some water on face. Yeah, this looks nice. And yeah, you'll see when it's gonna dry. Hair color when they are dry out. Dry hair, naturally. This looks nice.